municipal, ang puso ay para sa Manileño, the one and only, your Mayor, Francisco Isidro.
Ako po. Pero tumayo kayo. Before I continue, I think it's fitting to remember those people or individuals. The reason behind why we are here together. And in our own little way, as Manileños, knowing Manilans, hindi matitigas ang leg natin. Marunong tayong lumingon sa ating paraan, sa ating dinanan, at mga taong katulad. Kaya po sa lahat ng magulang na nandito, pag-aaral, guro, Board of Regents, everyone here, di kaya ko po tumayo tayo saglit. And offer 30 seconds at the very least. Isang taimtim na panalangin at bilang pasasalamat na rin dating Mayor Alfredo S. Lee. Ipanalangin natin. Ay taus-puso kong inaalala at pinasasalamatan si dating Mayor Alfredo S. Lee. Without him, there is no such thing as City College of Manila, now Universidad de Manila. Without him, malamang ni pintuan ng pag-asa hindi natin matikitan. That's why, like you, each and everyone, to continue to remember those leaders, whether local or national. Huwag natin kakaligtaan bagay na ginawa nila, patuloy natin pinakikinabangan, magpasanggang ngayon, at mukhang patuloy na pakikinabangan ng saling lahi natin. To our University President, Dr. Maria Pelma Carlos Tria, our distinguished guest speaker today, commencement speaker natin, napaka-buenas natin mga batang Maynila. Ilalabing 5 lamang po ang miyembro ng Korte Suprema sa laki ng Pilipinas. Ngunit pinaglaanan niya tayo ng panahon ngayong umagang ito upang tayo'y magkaroon ng magandang inspirasyon. Honorable Justice Amy C. Lazaro Javier, Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. To our beautiful Vice Mayor, Chi Atienza, distinguished members of the Board of Regents, esteemed administrators, members of the faculty, honored guests, proud parents, and most especially our graduates, the class of 2026. Good morning. Nantok pa kayo? Buti nga kayo, nakatulog na eh. Ako, wala pa. Kaidlip ako nung pagkatapos ko mag-announce ng walang pasok ng alas 3:30 kanina. Nabaliwala naman sa inyo kasi gagraduate na kayo. Nakaidlip ako ng 15 minutos. Dumating na si Cesar Chavez. Tapos mag-ready na tayo sa Sal Park and go here. Tapos tulog. But don't worry. Okay lang walang tulog. Ang mahirap yung walang gising. Again, pampagising, kagraduate na kayo. Talagang batang Maynila tayo lahat, ano? Iisa-antay na natin. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Yung utang na Maynila 2 bulig, next week makukuha ninyo. Justice Army, kasi yan nagsimula yan when I became mayor in 2019. Dala ng maraming mga estudyante ng PLF at UDN na talagang salap na salap. Bagamat libre ang eskwela, ngunit ang UDN ay nasa sentro ng Maynila kung saan maraming mga magulang ay hihirapan na makapagbigay ng pamasahe, baon. That's why, when I became mayor, the time in 2019, I started to create an ordinance giving at least a small amount to cushion daily expenses. Ayun yung pinag-uusapan namin kanina, kaya kami lang nagkakaintindihan. Oh, Pelma, ready mo na yung payroll next week para sa mga gagawin. Sayang din mo yan, 2 bulig din. How I wish. But more than anything else, I'm happy for you. With all honesty. Really happy and excited for you because today is not just another graduation ceremony. Today is celebration of dreams fulfilled. Today is a celebration of hard work, sacrifice, and hope. Palakpakan ninyo ang inyong mga sarili. At ito, talagang pwede nyo sabihin, sa wakas, nakaabot ako ng finish line. Sa dami ng drama nyo sa buhay. Diba? Iniwan na syota, niloko na syota. Diba? Hindi pinansin ang crush. Bumagsak sa exam, sa quiz, ulit, lahat yata eh. Problema sa bahay, problema sa lahat ng buhay. After all those things, di ba? Imagine ninyo, nag-graduate kayo. And that is an achievement. That's why dreams fulfilled. Kaya, as your city mayor, I stand before you with great pride. I do not simply see graduates. I see future leaders. I see future professionals. I see future entrepreneurs. I see future public servants. Alay nyo, yung pasorero nga yung sidecar boy nga Rosauro Almario Elementary School, Tondo High School, naging mayor ng Maynila. Kayo pa kaya yung Mayor, high school finish. Paano pa yung college finish? Diba? Why not? Choke na. Nakikita ko mga susunod na henerasyon ng ating Manileño na magdadala ng dangal sa lungsod. 31 years ago, this university was founded by Mayor Alfredo Slim on a simple belief. Every deserving Manileño deserves the opportunity to earn college education. No dream should end because of poverty. Nung nagsimula ang Universidad de Manila, which is much known as City College of Manila, ilan lamang ang naniwala. Ngunit naniwala ang lungsod ng Maynila. Nagtiwala ang inyong pamahalang lungsod Kailangan ito ng pondo para sa inyong kinabukasan. That is the true purpose of public education. Government must believe in its people. Government must invest in its people. Today, we are witnessing the return on that investment. Kung may utang man kayo, pagkatapos ng araw na ito, hindi yun utang sa salapi. Utang na loob yan sa inyong mga magulang. Sa inyong mga guro. At kung hindi ka nabisan, palakpakan natin ang mga taxpayers of the City of Manila. Dahil sa kanila, pagamat salat ang kaban na aking dinatnan with that kind of great fiscal mismanagement sa kasaysayan ng pamalang lungsod ng Maynila, ito'y may tatala. The worst fiscal situation na inabot ko. Ngunit, pagkaganon pa man, from July 2025 to June 2026, umabot na sa 328,068,276 pesos ang ipinagkaloob ng taxpayers sa UDM natin. So clear natin yan. Pamamagitan ng isang marangal na pamumuhay. Clear natin yan sa pamamagitan ng tapat na paglilingkod. So clear natin yan sa pamamagitan ng malasakit sa kapwa. Never forget where your journey began. Your roots are here in Manila. This city shaped our history. This city shaped our nation. This city continues to shape its future through education. Patuloy ako mamumuhunan sa pagpapataas ng kalidad ng katayuan ng pamumuhay ng mamamayan by addressing MPN, Minimum Basic Needs. Speaks of housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. What we are after and what we are investing is the quality of life. Yung katatayuan sa pamayanan, yun ang aking inahabol, yun ang aking pinupuhunanan ngayon, yun ang aking pupuhunanan bukas, at habang akong inyong alkalde, yun ang pupuhunanan ko habang buhay. Muli, dalhin ninyo ang pangalan ng Maynila, saan man kayo makarating. Pagmalaki ninyo na ito ang ating pinagmulan, ngunit huwag ninyong hayaan maging hangganan ng inyong pinagmulan. Gawin ninyo itong lakas upang mataas pa ang inyong marating. The world needs graduates who can compete globally. The world also needs people with integrity, people with compassion, people who are willing to serve. Yan ang santunay na tatak na Batang Maynila. Wherever life takes you, say these words with pride. I am proud of being Manileño. I am proud graduate of Universidad de Manila. Pagdating ng araw, pag naging bosyo na kayo, kayo na yung mga department head, kayo na yung bureau chief, kayo na yung supervisor. Pwede ba, pag malasakitan ninyo yung kapwa yung graduates, kung ang Ateneo may sariling preference, kapwa nila Ateneo, ang Lasal, sariling preference, kapwa nila Lasal. Gusto ko, pag naging bosyo kayo, pag nakita niyo yung aplikante, UDM, you're hired. Pwede? Promise? Because doon man lamang, ipakita natin kung kayo ay produkto ng UDM and you become the boss of an industry, maybe owner or leaders of an industry, then you must believe to the person next in line who is also a product of UDM. Tama? Pwede? Promise, ha? May bigat ang mga salitang yan, ngunit pinatunayan na ng Universidad de Manila ang kahusayan ay hindi nasusukat sa laki ng paralan. Nasusukat ito sa kalidad ng mga taong inilalabas nito o produkto nito. Today, your university, our university, is recognized beyond our shores. That's strengthened international partnership, that's expanded research, that's embraced innovation, continues to bring honor to Manila and to the Philippines. Tagumpay ito ng bawat Manileño, tagumpay ito ng ating lungsod. Bigyan natin ng malakas na palakpakan ang pamunuan ng UDM. Again, the teaching and non-teaching personnel of UDM. Palakpakan natin sila. Bilang alkalde ninyo, ito ang maliwanag na pinaniniwalaan ko. Every scholar is an investment. Every classroom is an investment. Every student is an investment. Hindi gastos ang edukasyon. Ito ang pinakamahalagang puhunan ng isang lungsod tulad ng lungsod ng Maynila. To the members of Class 2026, your diploma is not the finish line alone. It is the beginning of a greater responsibility. Work hard. Stay humble. Always remember this. In humility, you inspire people. Serve others. Keep learning. And I challenge you. Di ba yung takoy nagsimula, high school finish? Sino ba yung mga taga-Tondo? District 1, meron pa mga taga-District 1. Mga nanay nyo na lang kasi hindi nyo inabot to. 30 years ago ito. Mga nanay magulang, District 1. Pinuto ko ng mga magulang nyo bilang konsyal, high school finish. Literally. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-aral, kaya mas maswerte kayo kahit nahikaw sa inyong mga magulang na iraos kayo sa tersera. Ako noon wala. Sabi ng nanay ko, tapusin ko raw ang high school. Doon man lamang at least hindi ako magbabasa ng dyaryo pabaliktad. Taas ang pangarap ng nanay ko. But, thanks to the people of Tondo, District 1 particular, binigyan nila ako ng pagkakataon. When I say keep on learning, I saw the importance of education nung ako'y nasa gobyerno na. Akala ko ang gobyerno pakit-cutean lang. Hindi naman ako cute. Guwapo naman. Charot. Nakita ko ang kahalagahan ng edukasyon. So I tried to equip myself to serve you better. So that's why I keep on learning. Hindi lang basta learning. Went further. Saan kayo mag-aakala? Kasama-sama ako mag-English. 75 nga grado ko sa English eh. Except yung math. Mathematician ako eh. Magaling ako sa math nung bata pa ako. Algebra, geometry, panis yan. Eh, bata pa lang ako, laki na yun, 41. Musul, para. Magaling na ako sa geometry and physics. But anyway, kidding aside, I went further. Unti-unti, nakakapagsalita na ako ng wikang Banyaga. Masama pa diction ko. O masama pa pamisa-misa ng grammar ko. But, looking at myself, 30 years ago, when I was 23 years old, ay medyo nakakabuo na ako ng isang sentence. Oh, tapos, my English is good only for 5 minutes. After that, finish or not finish, pass your paper na ako. But what I'm trying to say to you guys, go further. Acquire more tools. And these are the tools that can make your success with high probability. Tandaan nyo ha, hindi garanti pero may high probability of success. Kaya kayo iniraos ng inyong mga magulang. Kasi yung paniwala ko, pareho rin ang paniwala nila. Pagkaroon kayo ng patas na pagkakataon. Honor your family. Honor your university. Honor your city of Manila. Huwag ninyong kalimutan kung saan kayo nagsimula. Huwag ninyong kalimutan ang mga taong tumulong sa inyo. At huwag ninyong kalimutan ang inyong responsibilidad sa sarili at bayan. Meron tayong responsibilidad bilang mamamayan sa ating pamayanan at bayan. So, congratulations, class of 2026. Huwag na kayong tumayo. Pwede ba lingunin niyo yung mga magulang niyo kung saan mambahagi sila? Ayan ha. Sabihin natin sabay-sabay. Nay! Oh, mami, ano mayaman kayo? Siyempre. Mama. Oh, papa. Hindi, sige. Nay. Tay. Lolo. Lola. Thank you. I love you. Talagang bata, mahihayin pagpapasalamat sa magulang. O to our teachers, Ma'am, Sir, buti na lang, pinasama ko. Thank you. I love you. Uli, the teachers who are very proud of you because you have achieved something despite of the challenges that na ibinigay sa inyo. They're really proud. Iyan ang isang success. And I think si Justice Ami Mamya will tell about it. Anong pakiramdam ng isang guro kapag nakita niya ang kanyang mag-aaral tumatanggap ng diploma. But for now, I, as your mayor, City of Manila, proud and wish you all the best. And I hope that God will continue to guide and bless each and every one of you. Congratulations, class of 2026. Mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay ang Manila. Pagpalain naman kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! God bless. Thank you.
Thank you so much. May we request the Honorable City Mayor to remain on stage for the awarding of the Plaque of Appreciation. The President and the Board of Regents will award the Plaque of Appreciation. The Plaque of Appreciation is presented to Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno M. Domagoso, City Mayor of Manila, in recognition of his invaluable presence as keynote speaker and for inspiring the graduating class through his words of wisdom, during the 28th commencement exercises at the University of Manila with the theme, Elevating Standards, Empowering Communities, given this second day of July 2026 at the Philippine International Convention Center, Pasay City, Philippines, signed Dr. Maria Felma Sindria, University President. Again, the Mayor of the City of Manila, Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso, maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayo.